Promotional events, custom made to any size with decorative trim or polished edges. Remember, for quality products at competitive prices, it's Gaffurs, the name you can trust.
If you're looking for long-lasting, heavy-duty rubberized tarpaulins, 100% water-resistant, then you're looking for Salim Khan. He's down at Meadowbank on the east bank of Demerara. Because these tarpaulins are water-resistant, they're ideal to cover truck trays, cricket pitches, camps, and tents. He can even make piping, 18 inches and wider in diameter. So call for Salim Khan, get him at 226-9810 and 223-8866.
Seventeen minutes now to 8 o'clock. Now for a special segment of Do You Know? Do you know that an adult blood vessels could circle the equator 4 times if they were laid out end to end? I was looking at a medical doctor talking about some 64,000, miles of blood vessels we have. I stand corrected on that figure, but I remember 60-something thousand. I think it's miles. That amount of blood vessels you have in your system. So it could circle the equator according to this 4 times. 16 minutes now to 8 o'clock now for our teaser. They say when it rains, it pours. That means when things happening nice, it is happening nice all around. But to help me God, when it's happening bad, it really can come down in storms, everything around you being bad. Have a look at some experiences of some people.
There we go. There we go.
Inna tinari kasuku ibara.
I've got one of our big old male panther chameleons. Oh, crazy! Oh my gosh, you said crazy tongue, you just shot.
我们盖着走，盖着走。
Oh, it just feels good.
Yep, and it brings down the skin's temperature. See how it kind of got stuck on the beard?
Oh my god.
Got it? Got it.
No, 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 no.
सैया दे गई जिया तेरी पहली नजर हो सैया दे गई जिया तेरी पहली नजर कैसा जादू किया तूने मुझ पे ओ जादूगर सैया दे गई जिया तेरी पहली नजर कैसा जादू किया तूने मुझ पे ओ जादूगर सैया दे गई जिया तेरी पहली
We are a Guyanese-owned company, blazing the trail in the production of concrete products in Guyana that surpasses international standards and quality. We are a company where quality and value for money are at the core of our business. We are KSM Investments Incorporated, and we are the leaders in the production of concrete products. Our flagship Everlast stone pavers and rock-solid stone hollow blocks are being engineered to deliver unsurpassed structural quality and value for money, transforming our landscape like never before. Our products have won the Guyana National Bureau of Standards Gold Award for quality, the Guyana Manufacturers and Services Association Award for raising the bar on quality, and the Caribbean Export Development Agency, Caribbean Association of Investment Promotion Agencies Investor Award of the Year. KSM Investments Incorporated is the first company in the concrete products sector to have been certified by the Guyana National Bureau of Standards and awarded the Made in Guyana label. Our multi-use rock-solid stone hollow blocks have been used to construct some of the largest and most structurally sound buildings in Guyana, as well as on miles of drainage infrastructure. Our Everlast stone pavers have ushered in a new era of infrastructural modernization, transforming our landscape and adding beauty. KSM Investments Incorporated is growing with Guyana and will continue to lead from the front, providing an expanding range of the best quality concrete products, putting us at the foundation of our country's infrastructural development and building construction. At KSM Investments Incorporated, we have indeed raised the bar and are soaring to new heights as we watch what the future beckons. We are part of that future. We are part of One Guyana.
I never asked Daddy to leave our family, or for Mommy to drink all the time and get sick. I never asked a neighbor to call the social worker. I only asked her for something to eat. I never asked them to put Mommy in the hospital, or for them to put me in care.
Children are in formal care for different reasons, but the one thing they have in common is that they all need adult guidance, care, and attention. This is where foster care can make a big difference in a child's life. Do you have what it takes to be a foster parent? Call the foster care unit today on 231-8423 for further details.
A message from the Child Care and Protection Agency, Ministry of Social Protection.
तुमसे ओ हसीना कभी मोहब्बत न मैंने करनी थी तुमसे ओ हसीना कभी मोहब्बत न मैंने करनी थी मगर मेरे दिल ने मुझे धोखा दे दिया मगर मेरे दिल ने मुझे धोखा दे दिया
तुमसे ओ दीवाने कभी मोहब्बत न मैंने करनी थी तुमसे ओ दीवाने कभी मोहब्बत न मैंने करनी थी मगर मेरे दिल ने मुझे धोखा दे दिया मगर मेरे दिल ने मुझे धोखा दे दिया
लोग ये मुझको है समझाते, बीत रही थी हंसते गाते, मैंने तुम्हें किस लिए छेड़ा, राहों में आते जाते मुझे सब है सताते। तौबा मेरी तौबा के ये शरारत न मैंने करनी थी, तौबा मेरी तौबा के ये शरारत न मैंने करनी थी, मगर मेरे दिल ने मुझे धोखा दे दिया, मगर मेरे दिल ने मुझे धोखा दे दिया। राज दिल ना खुल जाए, रात हमारे सपनों में छुप के, रोज कोई आए जाए, काहे नेहा लगाए। तौबा मेरी तौबा के ये कयामत न मैंने करनी थी, तौबा मेरी तौबा के ये कयामत न मैंने करनी थी, मगर मेरे दिल ने मुझे धोखा दे दिया, मगर मेरे दिल ने मुझे धोखा दे दिया।
I see there is a grouping in saying goodbye to you. Let me just remind that there's a grouping of former presidents, one from Chile, one from Bolivia. All of them have deplored the behavior of Maduro, all of them. So another important thing to think about, the United States of America has eased their sanctions on Venezuela recently. And as a result of that, India started to seek oil to buy their crude, Venezuelan crude. So I think, and I guess our international relations people in the country are forging ahead and asking India and the US, India not to worry to buy the crude from Maduro and his country, and for a reimposition of sanctions by the United States. These are because they depend on the little bit of oil that they're churning out. Venezuela used to produce more than 3 million barrels of oil per day, and they were cut down almost, because of sanctions and all of that, to just over 300,000. So things rough there, and the big country should cease from buying because of the deplorable behavior and aggression of neighboring Venezuela. I got to say goodbye, people. My name is Naeem Chen. On behalf of Andre, God bless you. Have a great weekend. I'll talk with you on Monday.
मुश्किल है तो इसको समझाना कि धीरे धीरे दिल
सीखा दिल का सौदा होता है सौदा जिंदगी का हमने तो इतना देखा हमने तो इतना सीखा दिल का सौदा होता है सौदा जिंदगी का मिलते ही कैसे कोई होता है दीवाना कितना मुश्किल है तौबा इसको समझाना कि धीरे धीरे दिल बेकरार होता है होते